Hello, in this video tutorial I will demonstrate you how to separate and edit groups based on the example of a kitchen. Please note that the functions in this tutorial require the cadvilla version 9 or higher. In the first step we want to place a kitchen in this area in the 3D view, which is this part of the 2D view. Therefore, we select the catalog, we click on Groups, we select Interior, Kitchen, Kitchenette, and for example, Kitchenette Type 2. We select the kitchenette number 1 with a left mouse click. And to take a look of the kitchenette in the preview window, we make a double left mouse click on it. The preview window opens, and to turn the kitchenette, we press the left mouse button and move our mouse. To zoom in and zoom out the view, we press the right mouse button and move the mouse. The model looks good and we confirm with OK. Now we select the kitchenette again with a left mouse click, we press and hold the left mouse button and we drag the kitchenette in the 3D view, or like in our example, in the 2D view. The kitchenette is now attached to our cursor and we can place it with a left mouse click. Afterwards we press Escape. The kitchen is now placed in our project. Now we select it with a left mouse click. We press the right mouse button and we select Separate Group. Afterwards we press Escape and we zoom a little bit into the view. In the next step of our video tutorial, we will mirror the left area of the kitchen and place it in the area of the fridge. The fridge we will place then in the left area of the kitchen. Therefore, we press and hold the left mouse button in the 2D view and we create a selection window over the left area of the kitchen. The desired area is selected and now we select Mirror and Mirror at Axis. Now we insert the mirror axis, therefore we press the left mouse button. Now we press and hold the CTRL key for a 100% vertical line and we press again the left mouse button. The left area of the kitchenette was successfully mirrored. In the next step, we move the mirrored area to its correct position, therefore we zoom a bit into the view. Now we select the function Move with Reference Point, or we press the shortcut R. We press the shortcut. We select the reference point, that's this point. And we move the part of the kitchen to this point. Afterwards we zoom a bit out of the view and we press Escape. In the next step, we will move the fridge. The fridge exists out of two parts. The fridge itself and a storage above the fridge. We press and hold the CTRL key to select both parts. Now we zoom a bit into the 2D view and we press again the shortcut R for the function Move with Reference Point. This is our reference point and we move the fridge to this point. Afterwards we press again Escape. We zoom a bit out of the view and in the next step we move the fridge and the overhead cabinets a bit to the right. We select the single elements by pressing the CTRL key and selecting them with a left mouse click in the 3D view. We zoom a bit into the 2D view and we press again the shortcut R for the function Move with Reference Point. This is the reference point and we move the kitchen to this point. Afterwards we press again Escape. We zoom a bit out of the view. And in the next step we will shorten the kitchen a bit by deleting objects. Therefore we select again the 3D view and we select, for example, this object. We press the delete key and also we select this object and we press again delete. Both objects are deleted now. Now we select the left area of the kitchen in the 2D view with the help of a selection window. We zoom a bit into the view. We press again the shortcut R for the function move with reference point. This is the reference point and we move the kitchen to this point. We press Escape. And what did not move in this case is the cover plate behind the cooking area. We select the cover plate in the 3D view. Now we select again the 2D view. We press again the shortcut R for the function move with reference point. This is our reference point and we move the cover plate to this point. Afterwards we press again Escape. In the next step we will move the complete kitchen to its final position. Therefore we select the complete kitchen with the help of a selection window. We zoom a bit into the view, press again the shortcut R, this is the reference point, and we move the kitchen to this point. Afterwards we press again Escape and we zoom a bit out of the view. In the next step we will adjust the textures of our kitchen worktops. Therefore we select again the 3D view and we zoom a bit into the view. We want to transfer the texture of this worktop to this white area. Therefore we select 3D functions and transfer material. We select the source material, that's this texture. We press and hold Shift to copy the texture dimensions and we copy the texture to the white area with a left mouse click. Afterwards we press Escape. We zoom a bit out of the view and in the next step we will add a kitchen island in this area to our kitchen. To position the kitchen island we will use the help of guidelines. Therefore we select 2D and Layout, 2D Guidelines, Guideline and for example Vertical Guideline. We place the vertical guideline on this line and afterwards we press Escape. Now we switch again to our catalog. We go one folder back, one more folder back, and we select Kitchen Islands. And we make a double left mouse click on Kitchen Island number 2 to open it in the preview window. The kitchen island looks like expected. We confirm with OK. We select it again, press and hold the left mouse button and drag it in our 2D view. We place the kitchen island for example here and afterwards we press Escape. Now we zoom a bit into the view. We select the kitchen island again and we press the shortcut R for the function move with reference point. We select the reference point, that's the reference point, and we move the kitchen island to our guideline. After it, we press Escape. In the next step, we will change the appearance of the kitchen island also according to our ideas. Therefore, we select it with a left mouse click, right mouse button, and separate group. We press Escape. Now we select the 3D view and we zoom a bit into the view. As you can see now, our kitchen has two cooking tops. We will select one of them and press the delete key. In the next step, we will texturize the white kitchen worktop of the kitchen island with the texture of the worktop of the kitchenette. Therefore we select again 3D functions and transfer material. We select the source material, that's this texture. We press and hold the Shift key to copy the texture coordinates, and we transfer the texture of the worktop of the kitchenette to the white worktop of the kitchen island. The texture was successfully transferred, and in the next step we will transfer the wooden texture of the kitchen island to the kitchenette. Therefore we zoom a bit into the view into a better position. And now we select again transfer material. The source material is the wooden texture of the kitchen island. We press and hold Shift to transfer the texture coordinates, and we transfer the wooden texture to the red surfaces of the kitchenette. After it, we can press Escape. Our kitchen is now fully defined, and now we select the 2D view and we make a selection window over the complete kitchen. Now we select the function group. The kitchen island and the kitchenette are now grouped, and we can easily select and move them together in one group. With the function ungroup, we can easily deselect the grouping again if it's necessary. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit our website cadvilla.com.